Think saving energy has to mean big bucks or messy renovations? Think again. Improving your home energy efficiency can be surprisingly simple, and these small changes can add up to major savings on your heating and cooling bills. Whether you're trying to cut utility costs or shrink your carbon footprint, here are some easy, effective ways to get started. Seal drafts and air leaks. Apply weather stripping around doors and caulking around windows. Install door sweeps on exterior doors and seal gaps around pipes, attic hatches, and vents. Upgrade to a programmable or smart thermostat. You can automatically adjust temperatures when you're away or asleep. Some models qualify for rebates and can cut heating costs up to 10%. Replace or clean your furnace filter. A clogged filter means poor airflow and higher energy use. You can change it every 1 to 3 months for better performance. Do you need one? We deliver filters right to your door. Use ceiling fans the smart way. Clockwise in winter to circulate warm air, counterclockwise in the summer for a cooling breeze. Install insulating window treatments. Try thermal curtains or cellular shades. Close blinds at night or during hot, sunny afternoons. Add attic insulation. Heat escapes through your roof if insulation is lacking. R50 is ideal for most Canadian homes. Schedule an HVAC tune-up. Yearly maintenance keeps your system efficient. Technicians can spot and fix small issues early. Do you need a hand? Our team at Affordable Comfort can assess your home and HVAC system and recommend upgrades to help you save energy and money. Have a great day.